Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Rakuten account so you can start earning cashback while shopping at your favorite brands. This process is super easy and only takes a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, open up your internet browser and go to the official Rakuten website at rakuten.co.uk. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a Join Now button in the top right corner and another one that says Join for free. Click either of these to get started. You'll be taken to a simple registration form. Here, all you need to do is enter your email address and create a password. Someone referred you, you can enter a referral code in the box provided, but if not, don't worry, it's optional. You'll also see an option to receive updates about exclusive deals and cashback offers. This is completely optional, but it's a great way to stay informed about the latest savings. Once you've filled in your details, click the purple Join Now button. Rakuten will set up your account and show you the latest deals available. If you're using Google Chrome, I highly recommend installing the Rakuten browser extension. This handy tool automatically shows you cashback opportunities while you shop online, whether it's Amazon, JD Sports, Just Eat, or hundreds of other brands. Once installed, you'll see cashback rates right on the website, and all you have to do is click to activate them before making a purchase. Your cashback will be tracked automatically. Super simple. And that's it. Your Rakuten account is ready, and you can start shopping while earning cashback today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel. It really supports the content I make. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.